Images are your keys to success. That's right. Internet marketers who have WordPress sites uses at least 2 images in their post in order to attract more visitors. Anyone who doesn't use images in their post will make it look so dull. People are more visual nowadays, so marketers should adapt to these kind of changes. Now, the problem is not only that one. People who are using WordPress has been facing a big challenge. WordPress has only limited image functionalities. What I mean by limited is that you can't edit an image, and what's worse is that they haven't fixed this demand till now. So today, what I'm about to show you will give us the perfect solution to this problem. Introducing WP Fotopress. This is a powerful WordPress software which adds a Photoshop-like editor inside your WordPress sites, and what's even good about this is that it finds millions of images for your blog posts. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features finds you 2 million plus royalty-free images from 4 top sources. Finding the right image for your blog content or website can be hard. It could sometimes even take hours to pick the one that fits your site the best. Scouring hundreds of websites is not a good idea or the best use of your time. That's why we made it extremely simple. One-click search that finds you over 2 million images right inside your WordPress site. One-click crop, resize, rotate and edit. You may hardly use the images you find online exactly in the same size on your content pages. You need to make it fit. That's why we added a quick one-click edit feature that makes it extremely simple for you to get the right size shape of the image you want. Full Photoshop style editor, the #1 feature that makes this plugin a must-have for every WordPress site. The full-featured